Gavana wa kaunti ya Nandi Stephen Sang aroire watho-ini moko-ini make ethaite na Karengi aratongoria gicunji kia aikari kaunti yake guceha macani mugunda-ini wa Kibware maria me mugunda-ini aroiga ati ni wa muingi no ukegwatirwo ni andu kiumbe. Maragita ma thirikari ya Nandi namo marari mbere makimunya macani na guthukangia mangi maria marari barabara-ini yamo.
The cattle dip was brought down by individuals and companies that now claimed the place and they started planting, tea plantation.
Sasa watu wa area yote ng'ombe zilikufa zikaisha. Nakumbuka hata kwetu nyumbani ng'ombe nilikuwa najunganga dip ikiwa hapa, nilikuwa na karibu zaidi ng'ombe 10. Ikaisha mpaka hata kuna siku hatukuwa na ng'ombe hata moja.
Sang aroiga ati atacukite ikinya riri thutha wa mateta kuma kuri muingi uria aroiga ati ukoretwo gikinya wabici-ini yake ihinda kwa ihinda ukienda ucokerio kiria kiari mugunda wa Munanda no ukigwatirwo ni andu aria maiyite eka 4. Ni harakinyite handu gavana agakunjanira ngundi akienda kuonana moko kwa moko na murimi umwe uria urageragia kurugamia mihango ya kwigwatirwo kwa mugunda uyu.
We are going to pursue each and every right in terms of the land that was grabbed from our community to ensure that the very community gets back their land and they are able to benefit from it.
Aria mareroreire gicanjama giki marambiriirie nyimbo na nduhio makiuga ati uyu ni uhotani mareterire kwa ihinda iraya tondu no makoretwo makigirio gukuhiriria mugunda uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.